Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this hotel, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than thousands of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 6.6. Check-in time in this hotel is 3 p.m. and checkout time of this hotel is 3 p.m. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this hotel, please below to link in description. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again in a new video with a new hotel.